We wish to thank the government of Ethiopia, the UN FCC Secretariat for hosting and facilitating this session. As I said, my name is Nafi Kwashi from the National Resource Governance Institute and speaking on behalf of Ringo constituency. We wish to focus our intervention on the role of minerals. Minerals are at the heart of the energy transition. The goals of tripling global renewable energy capacity and doubling the rate of energy efficiency improvement by 2030 set out at COP28 are driving exponential increases in the demand for minerals. This means that how mineral resources are governed will determine whether the transition is fair. And the world is at a crossroad. A rush for critical minerals could repeat the mistakes of the past, irresponsible mining, corruption, and communities left behind. Or it could be a chance to build more just and sustainable economies. With the right rules and accountability, mineral demand can drive jobs, diversification, and fairer benefits for people in low and middle income countries who want to use their minerals resources to move up the value chain and spur sustainable economic development without becoming sacrifice zones for energy transition only happening elsewhere. But the global action is needed. The Just Transition Work Group is a chance to push for transparency, accountability, and inclusive governance of minerals worldwide. Stronger governance can ensure minerals power are not just clean energy, but also justice, equity, and opportunity, key principles for the work of the Just Transition Work Program. To do this, we urge parties to take the following actions: recognize the risk and opportunities of scaling up transition and the need for robust governance to avoid harms and enable diversification and value addition. Endorse the principles and recommendation of the UN Secretary General's panel on critical energy transition minerals, which provide the starting point for ensuring that mineral transitions are resourced in a way that is in line with just transition pathways. Promote inclusive multilateral action that center voices from low and middle income producing countries. Embed mineral-related best practices, solutions, challenges, and barriers into future JTWP agendas. And beyond the mineral question, we also wish to briefly raise the following points. The JTWP should agree on guiding principles to align NDCs, NAPs, LT, LETs, Just Transition Partnerships, and other national plans in a coherent, global, consistent framework for just transition. Institutionalize participation by ensuring the meaningful involvement of workers, communities, and civil society, particularly disadvantaged and marginalized groups. Launch a global just transition mechanism to facilitate international cooperation, knowledge sharing, and mobilization of support around just transition priorities of developing countries' parties. And lastly, mobilize finance for just transition by establishing it as a distinct category of climate finance and mobilizing additional public and grant-based funding. Thank you very much.